Hey guys, how's it doing? I'm Pritesh from Saleshandy, and let's just see how you can connect your Pipedrive account in Saleshandy and how you can create the triggers, right? So let's just go into the settings, clicking here, and you just have to go into integrations. And Pipedrive is already listed, so you just have to connect, clicking here. It would take you to login page of Pipedrive, so you can just log into your already created account in Pipedrive. So I would just like to connect my Google account for which I've already created a Pipedrive account here. So let's just move ahead. And to authorize it, you just have to click on continue and it would just proceed with integration in Sales Handy. And this is how your Pipedrive account is now successfully connected with Sales Handy. Now, just proceed to configure your account. You just have to connect or click on this three dots and click on configure. You need to map all the fields that you want to sync within Sales Handy to Pipedrive. So, for example, you can map the fields like first name and the fields that are available in the Pipedrive account like this. Let's do it for the last name and let's do it for email ID. And when you are done with all the fields, you just have to click on save. And this is how you have synced all your fields with Pipedrive. Now, how to create the triggers? For that thing, you just have to go over here and click the tab. Now, there are multiple options available. Like trigger is something when something changes in Sales Handy. For example, if an email is sent from Sales Handy, you can mark it as an event in your Pipedrive account. Like if I just toggle it on and let me just select what should be the activity to be happening in Pipedrive when an email is sent in Sales Handy. So, for example, I would just like to select that when an email is sent, I would like to create a deal in Pipedrive. For that, I just have to click on this create deal pipeline option and I just have to select my pipeline. It would be different in your case. And I just want to mark it as contact made when an email is sent from Sales Handy. Well, you can do it differently. Like you can just create other options. There are multiple options. You can see the list here. Maybe we can also just try to create another trigger by just toggling this on. So whenever a reply is received, I would like Pipedrive to mark it as a deal again, but in a different stage of qualification. Maybe the lead should be qualified when my reply is received. And again, I have to select the pipeline and just save it. And this is how you can create the triggers by toggling on all the conditions given here and mapping it with the activities that are given in this list. And finally, you just have to save it. And we are done. After save, all your activities are mapped, all your triggers are saved, and the changes or the activities done with Sales Handy are now integrated with Pipedrive. So this was all about how to configure your account and create triggers within Sales Handy. If you need help, if you have any additional questions, you can just visit the FAQs or contact our support. Thank you and have a nice day.